In late August, a successful Fallout exploit kit malvertising campaign began distributing the Racoon Stealer malware via high-traffic adult sites such as xhamster.com. Through the campaign, victims click on what appears to be a legitimate ad, but instead are redirected to a Fallout exploit kit landing page. The page will try to exploit 2 known vulnerabilities before dropping the Racoon Stealer. The first vulnerability is CVE 2019-0752, which is an Internet Explorer vulnerability that allows for remote execution of arbitrary code on the victim machine. The other is the critical Adobe Flash Player vulnerability, CVE 2018-15982, which leads to remote code execution and privilege escalation based on the currently active user. With both Internet Explorer and Adobe Flash Player near end of life, it appears that malicious actors are trying to squeeze every last bit of value out of the known exploits before their exploit kits are rendered useless. Acronis Cyber Protect keeps you safe from malvertising attacks by using URL filtering to block access to known malicious URLs like those found in these campaigns.